Hello, how are you guys? This time I want to show you how to use Chrome extension in Opera browser. First you need install Opera, hit that button and right now it's extension and go to the get extension. Let's click here and search for. You just type here download Chrome extensions. DOWNLOAD download Chrome. This is install Chrome extension. I'm already installed, so hit that button show more and go to there is the link. You just copy the link, copy and open next tab and paste and go. And right now there's the extension of Chrome Web Store are open and you need whatever in Chrome extension name. I think I need vid IQ and hit enter. And right now there is the coming add to Opera, add to Opera, add to Opera. uh, some more applications. You just add this uh, simple thought, simple thing, simple way. You call anything from this tutorial. So I think you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon and share my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. See ya, bye bye, have fun.